Hey guys, here we have a new set of binoculars from SVBONY. It is a binoculars that I bought for astronomy use, and it is a Porro Prism type of binoculars. It is a 10x50 binocular, so 10 times magnification with 50mm objective lenses. So this is the SA204 model from SVBONY, and let's go to the unboxing. It comes very well packed and very well protected, as you can see. Very nice. So we have the carrying case, a soft carrying case that's useful to transport. Inside the case we find the binocular itself. We also find a neck strap, the user manual, and the microfiber cleaning cloth. We have the binoculars. It seems a little bit heavy, feels good in the hand. It has a high quality feel. Here we have the objective lenses, 50mm objective lenses, and under this protection 23mm eyepieces. The binoculars look very nice. We have the interpupillary distance adjustment and a center focus wheel that adjusts for both eyes, and a right diopter that adjusts focus for the right eye. So you first adjust the focus with using the left eye, using the center main focus wheel, and then you adjust the right eye with this diopter. So the binoculars seem very well built and seems very sturdy. It has a rubberized armor that protects it and prevents from slipping from the hands. And soon I'll make a video review for you guys, so stay tuned and subscribe.
Yeah.